Support 6 languages.
No room for error in the ordering.
Can be linked with a POS system.
My name is Ming from Tantan Ramen.
My name is Matsuo Eko.
Tantan is a noodle restaurant that just opened this year.
Both Vietnamese and European customers can place an order in their own language, so this system is rated very well. The menu is also designed to match the style of the restaurant. We can change the interface to black and customize it according to our wishes. That's very good.
Customers can place an order by themselves. It helps to reduce the restaurant's workload, as there's no room for error in the ordering process. The system's also very convenient. With a cheap monthly usage fee, we can save on a lot of our costs.
Thanks to the notifications, when there's a new order, we can check our orders very quickly, which helps to avoid discrepancies. Not only that, but this system can also be linked to a POS system, which is very helpful because we can check the monthly sales data. To be honest, everyone's more familiar with paper menus, so we were quite worried at first. Customers, however, report that the system is surprisingly simple to use, very convenient for them. We can even display information on the system that can't be mentioned on traditional paper menus. QR order systems are not common yet here in Vietnam, so we think this system is a one-of-a-kind and worth a try. Some customers were worried if they would be able to use it, but now we see that everyone uses it very smoothly. Our foreign customers even told us that the system is very convenient. We used to think that the installation of this kind of system would be difficult, but Capi's employees did everything for us, from the installation to menu design, making implementation of this system very simple. Thanks to Capi Orde, customers are satisfied and come back more often. Capi Orde is essential to our business.
We want to introduce this system to everyone.